All aboard, please. We are taking you up Stoos mountain on the steepest funicular railway in the world. As it takes us up the mountainside, it will reach a maximum gradient of 110%. The railway generally runs without staff on board. A staff member in the control room operates it, monitoring the train's journey via closed-circuit television. Specially constructed carriages ensure that the four cylindrical cabins automatically adapt to the incline. The floor remains flat throughout the journey. While we are enjoying the splendid view of the picturesque Mottertal Valley scenery, the train whisks us up Stoos mountain in less than 5 minutes. Our ride also takes us through 3 tunnels. Thanks to the train's hydraulic inclination adjustment system, all passengers are always standing on a level surface. No one realizes how steep the incline really is. Halfway up the mountain we cross the train coming downhill. Both sides of the track, avalanche barriers make sure the Stoosbahn railway can run all year round, even in winters with heavy snowfall. Right now though, snow is not an issue. We have reached the high plain and the last part of the journey takes us across lovely alpine meadows. Here is a wonderful panoramic view of the mountains of central Switzerland. Right at the back we glimpse 2 famous mountains, Grosser and Kleiner Mythen. The new funicular opened in late 2017. It provides excellent public access to the mountain village of Stoos with its 150 inhabitants. However, this record-breaking railway excites people far beyond the limits of this community, attracting visitors from around the world to the mountains of the canton of Schwyz. The railway's construction cost around $52 million. We have arrived at an elevation of 4,284 feet above sea level. And now, enjoy the breathtaking 360-degree view.